How to use the ParkMobile app for beginners. First, download and register. Install the ParkMobile app from the Google Play or the App Store. Open the app, sign up using your email, add your wallet and payment, add up to 5 vehicles, enter license plate, state, and an optional nickname. Link a payment method such as a credit card, PayPal, or Apple Pay. Optionally, enable ParkMobile Wallet to preload funds. Find your parking zone. Ensure location services are on. They're not required, but they are helpful. Look for nearby zone numbers on signage or in-app map pins to identify your parking area. Fourth, start a parking session. So open the app and enter the zone number manually, or tap the pin on the map. Choose how long you want to park. Confirm your vehicle and selected payment method. Hit start parking. A countdown timer will display your remaining time. Monitor and extend. Monitor your session in the Activity or Sessions tab. Extend time as needed by tapping Extend Session before the time runs out. Some zones allow you to stop a session early directly in the app. In typical zones, the session ends automatically when your paid time expires. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.